Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how you can digitally transform your business in 2025. It's more than going paperless. This is about building a future-ready, efficient, and scalable business model. Let's explore how. Now let's get into the topic. Before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss valuable business insights. Digital transformation is the strategic use of technology to improve business processes, increase efficiency, and drive growth. It's not just adopting tools, it's a complete mindset shift to work smarter and scale faster. Why now? Because 2025 demands it. Customers expect speed, personalization, and digital access. Businesses that transform can deliver faster, reduce costs, and adapt in real time. Start with automation. From sending invoices to approving expenses, automation reduces human error and saves time. Apps like Zoho let you build workflows that keep your operations moving 24/7. Next, connect your departments. A digitally transformed business has sales, HR, finance, and operations speaking the same language. One platform, one dashboard, one source of truth. Tools matter. With Zoho One, you can manage every aspect of your business from a single ecosystem. CRM, books, projects, analytics, even build custom solutions with Zoho Creator. Data is your biggest asset. Use dashboards and KPIs to understand performance, plug leakages, and plan for the future. Data turns insights into action. When done right, digital transformation leads to leaner operations, smarter decision-making, and significant cost savings. You'll be more profitable, efficient, and scalable. Ready to begin? Start by identifying your business pain points, setting clear goals, and choosing the right tools. Partnering with experts like Zentegra can help you avoid pitfalls and accelerate success. Digital isn't a trend, it's a necessity. Businesses that transform will lead the market in 2025. At Zentegra, we help you do it right. Hit like, subscribe, and let's build your digital future, starting now.